Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what I do with overgrown jades like this one that we got from a friend. It is all tied up and secured to this little metal windmill. So our first step is going to be taking off all of these ties in order to see how this plant is sitting. We're just going to start off by taking off all of these ties. Now looking closely at it, I see some mealybug damage. I'll show you what that looks like. See this white stuff right here? That's some signs of mealybug damage or a current mealybug infestation. So I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol and spray it all over the plant. This will kill them instantly. And then I'll take water to rinse the rubbing alcohol off the plant. So now you can see kind of what our problem is. This whole plant is leaning way over to the side as it is totally overgrown. And the whole point of today's video is going to be redirecting this growth. So let's try and get this out of here. Kind of pulling up a lot of roots with it, but that's okay. We'll kind of reposition the jade. We're just gonna kind of reseed it in the soil in order to position it into a more desirable direction, patting down the soil around the plant in order to hold it into the position where we want it. And now we're just gonna start cutting. When you're doing this, you can plant these cuttings if you would like to. Just take off the bottom couple of leaves and plop that cutting right in the soil. Continue with your normal watering schedule and that's it, but we're not going to do that today. So as I said earlier, we're trying to redirect the energy of this plant and get rid of all this overgrowth. It just doesn't have the strength to hold itself up. So we're going to cut real low on all of these branches, and on each of these spots where we cut, we'll either get 1 or 2 new stems growing out of it. And you can kind of continually shape it from here on out. This whole process is really gonna help us in the future. Instead of having all this straggly growth that's just not strong enough, we're gonna have a nice and strong jade with real thick stems, and that's what's desirable. So putting up this white background gives you a better idea of what we ended up with on this jade after we took all the cuttings. We basically did the same process with a larger jade that we also got from a friend. That's this one up here. This was way overgrown. We did the same thing just by cutting it back. So I'm excited to share the growth updates with you guys on this one, as you can see what to expect if you duplicate this in your home. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.